Unveiling the Shadows, Understanding Corporate Espionage. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring a rather intriguing phrase, corporate espionage. It sounds like something straight out of a spy movie, doesn't it? But it's very much a reality in the business world. So, buckle up as we decode its meaning, implications, and usage in everyday English. Corporate espionage is a compound noun, consisting of two parts: corporate, referring to large companies or businesses, and espionage, meaning the practice of spying. When combined, these words describe a scenario where companies spy on each other. But why, you might ask? The main goal is to obtain confidential information, whether it's about a competitor's products, business strategies, or any other secret that could provide a competitive edge. You might wonder why understanding corporate espionage is important, especially for English language learners. This phrase is a perfect example of how English can encapsulate complex ideas in just two words, reflecting the language's richness and versatility. Moreover, it touches on themes of ethics, competition, and security, which are universal in the business world. So, whether you're reading the news, watching a documentary, or diving into business studies, grasping this term can enhance your comprehension and discussion skills. To bring the concept to life, let's consider some examples. Imagine a company secretly recording a meeting of its rival to learn about a new product. Or, think of a scenario where an employee is hired by a competitor specifically to share insider information. These actions fall under corporate espionage. They show how businesses might go to great lengths to outdo each other, highlighting the phrase's relevance in today's competitive environment. Now that we understand what corporate espionage means, let's see how to use it in a sentence. The tech industry has seen an increase in corporate espionage as companies vie for dominance in emerging markets. She wrote a thesis on the ethical implications of corporate espionage in international trade. Using it in various contexts can help solidify your understanding and ability to discuss complex topics in English. And there we have it, a deep dive into the world of corporate espionage. This phrase not only enriches our vocabulary but also opens up discussions about competition, ethics, and security in the corporate world. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject and added an intriguing element to your English learning journey. Remember, language is a window to understanding the world better, and every new term you learn is a part of that exciting exploration. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.